how to see recently viewed pins on Pinterest. So first is you have to go to your Pinterest application and it will look like this. Now on the bottom part, you will see your icon there, profile icon. Just tap on that. And here you will see this one. So let's go here, say pin this, just tap on this and then tap on save. So let's say anywhere here, let's say clothing hacks. And if you want to go here again, as you can see, it is now added to your recently pinned Pinterest image or videos. Depends, it depends. Now, the other thing that you want to see your recently viewed is you can go here to settings and go to home feed tuner. And here you'll see different icons here. You'll see boards, history, and topics. Just tap on history, and basically you will see all the Pinterest that you have actually tapped on and looked for. And basically that is how you see recently viewed pins on Pinterest. Now, if it doesn't work, make sure that your Pinterest application is updated. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.